universal puller for ball joints and tie rod ends. The advantage of this puller is its compactness and versatility. It's made of high-quality metal and has proven itself quite effective in removing both ball joints and tie rods without any problems. The main requirement is that it has access to the installation area and the pause on the tie rod itself. Another advantage is that it can be used with ball joints of different lengths. Thanks to its two positions, we can adjust the distance to suit different part sizes. A 22mm wrench is used. The principle is simple. The video below will show how it performed, how it's installed, and how it works.